What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Car guy Jordy from Cosmo Motors. A little bit of a nasty, rainy, cold day here in North Carolina, but for a cold day, it's perfect for this car. Not so much the rain, but we've got a little C6 Z06, and something special about this one. We'll just come around here to the back. So you see you got an STS exhaust there. What do we have back here? Is that a STS rear mounted twin turbo kit? I do say so. And what's even better than that, air to fuel boost gauge. What's better than that is the fact that it has a Texas Speed built 427. Little wastegate down there. Little catch can over there. Dare I say race car? I'm gonna say race car. Car is super clean. Yeah, got some race tires on there. Super clean car. We did have this car dynoed, and on the dyno jet it made 616 horsepower, 679 torque. So I would say a very conservative tune. You got a Pioneer radio, dual climate, heated seats, and we're just gonna fire this puppy up real quick. So it does have a upgraded fuel system on it, so do that. Got to prime the system there. So upgraded fuel system. Transmission has been upgraded to a TR6060 and even has a brand spanking new GM Performance clutch in it. 30,000 miles. She sounds good. She sounds real good. No crazy lights, oil pressure's good on it. If you're in the market for a C6 Z06, that's a, let's just say full-blown race car at this point. We got you covered right here at Cosmo Motors.